Our business, Exports Oz, is an export business located in Northern Australia. We use Indigenous personnel to grow and catch food which will be exported around the world. Our focus is on keeping our business model simple so that we can successfully break into new world markets. Our product range is sustainable, being native Australian grown nuts, fruits and fishes. We believe that we will be successful in entering an export market, especially in Sweden, as a large amount of Swedish foodstuffs are imported each year. $4.9 billion worth of foodstuff was imported by Sweden in 2019. These statistics give us great optimism in being able to break into the market in Sweden. Our sustainable produce meets the geopolitical needs of the Swedish nation. As we stated earlier, our business model is simple, having production carried out in Australia with marketing and distribution carried out in Sweden. Our business is controlled from Australia, but has a strong Swedish firm, which is responsible for a majority of the business. Our Swedish firm will take orders that will be fulfilled in Australia and once ready will be packaged and shipped to Sweden to be distributed to the many supermarkets and restaurants which we have asked the Swedish firm to target. Sweden is located in the north of Europe and is a member of the EU. It has a population of almost 10.2 million people, with 77% of these people aged between 15 to 64 and having disposable incomes of over $31,000 US per year. With such large disposable incomes, we believe that this will assist in the selling of our goods by returning the profit to the business. It is important that we recognise EU import rules during the setup of our new business venture. Our business will have a simple setup with the board and senior management being located in Australia and the majority of the staff being located in Sweden. This is to make sure that we have strong connections to the market. It is important that our exports are purchased in Sweden, and thus this model was chosen. We have noted differences in the Hofstede scale of masculinity as being our greatest concern. The differences in cultures means that group success is what the Swedes are focused on. Our Australian focus is, however, on individual success. We must address this factor for success. We have also noted our indulgence scores from Hofstede are almost the same. This shows that both countries tend to focus on positive attitudes and have a tendency towards optimism. Both nations tend to let people spend their income as they wish. This is important as we are breaking into the new market. We have entered into this market because of the global sustainability goals. Our business supports local growers on the land in Northern Australia. Exporting food to Sweden fits with the global sustainability goals of health and well-being for all and is a better use of the environment. Our business has two key areas, Australia and Sweden. It is important to note that we have an expatriate CEO in Sweden. We have done this to make sure that we are 100% committed to the Swedish market and to make sure that our business vision will succeed in the new market. Sweden has a low power distance score of 31, as does Australia at 36. The hierarchy of our business is set up to make sure that the Swedish operations are conveniently run. Sweden is characterised by decentralised decision making, and this will lessen the burden to top management and increase efficiency. Our new Swedish operation will operate with an expatriate CEO who will report back to an Australian board of directors. The new operation will face minimal intervention from the Australian board and Australian management. However, the board will maintain the veto power at the top of the hierarchy. Our business's main vision is to have economic growth through investment in Sweden. This will provide employment to the Swedish workers as well as Australians. The HR department will be responsible for maintaining conditions and providing decent pay. This will increase health and general well-being in both countries. We will achieve the global sustainability goal of life on the land by promoting food growth from sustainable areas of Northern Australia. We will assist farmers to plant crops as well as trees to prevent deforestation of the land and assist in reducing soil erosion. This will reduce environmental impacts. According to Healy Consultancy Group plc, the total average engagement fees will be €14,000, including setup taxes and all government fees. Sweden offers some of the lowest corporate taxes in the European Union. Being a small market, Sweden has a strong and stable economy, making it a valuable location for our new investment. Examining our HR, we understand the importance of using host nation employees in Australia and host nation employees in the Swedish firm. Our use of an expatriate CEO from Australia is designed to make sure that our company vision is carried out successfully. Our business has limited resources and can use digital disruptive technologies by creating an entirely new way to gain a new audience and market. With disruptive technologies, our business can deal right away with problems and keep in touch with our customers whilst also saving money. This is especially important for our new Swedish venture. By investing in our business, we aim to achieve our overall goal of providing sustainably grown food to Sweden. This will allow for their higher disposable incomes to flow to Australian farmers. We expect that with the strong Swedish economy and strong sustainability focus, our products will lead to greater opportunities and return on investment.